Good evening. My name is Monique, and the company I had this week was Cisco. Cisco Systems is an American technology company that designs and sells internet protocol-based networking and products related to communications and information technology industry. It is a $37 billion company in California. They have over 63,000 employees in 83 countries across 23 time zones. With the rise of Internet 2.0, the organization is experiencing global growth at double-digit rates. Cisco believes the key competitive plus is a close and dedicated relationship with customers. It is the largest organized technology company. To keep the organization in close to the customers, they operate with 6 councils that are designed to bring leaders and experts from around the world on business plans. Cisco companies sketched a collective style to engage the entire business in the design of a model to serve as the foundation for the organization's leadership efforts. Emerging technology are driving a persistent rate of change in global economic and market trends. Knowledge and power is everything. Every business is now creating the demand for new organization models and a new approach to leadership. Cisco has realized that the traditional command and control approach is no longer effective for them. To transform their leadership, they first needed to define what leadership was and what leadership was not. The organization needed to create a competency model which inserted Cisco's leadership efforts. To stay consistent with the vision, they displayed leadership in how the model was created and how the model was branded and introduced it to the organization. The outcome was the C-led model, which stands for collaborate, learn, execute, accelerate, and disrupt. The Cisco C-lead model needed to create leadership distinction in the market, align culture and leadership expectation, establish a common language for leadership, constantly predict success, develop and facilitate internal searches, and inform development programs and other investments. The C-lead needed to be realistic enough to develop in a timely fashion. The C-lead was designed by and for leaders. 2 key areas that you can always continue to do no matter which business you are in is to continue to learn and the ability to work in an uncertain, dynamic, and diverse global environment. Several managers and leaders provided the input into this leadership model. C-leads created 5 leadership skills that are designed to answer an important question. Collaborate, learn, execute, accelerate, and disrupt. C-lead provides guidance, but it only provides the foundation. C-lead is now being incorporated in all of Cisco's leadership training, which shows and gives a clear definition of what Cisco's leadership expectation and aspirations are. Theory and process are important, but results are the reasons EALF exists, which is a session that lasts for 12 to 16 weeks. That includes self-directed learning, a resident session, and a strategy project, which includes a project presentation and then an evaluation. Regardless and no matter what size the company or the extent of its leadership program, you should research, work together, engage, embed, and execute to provide a sturdy framework for a lasting impact on the company. Cisco has used these as building blocks that has positioned the company for endless development, success, and innovation. Thanks. Have a great night and a wonderful weekend at homecoming.